Yeah. Found some cool driftwood. This is so cute.
The feather is beside it. Is that a duck's feather?
This is cool.
That's awesome.
This would be cool to put some tillandsias in.
Okay, you said
Yeah, it's in the water, by the way.
it is in the water.
Yeah. What's that? Foam?
Yeah.
Might be some more stuff. There's a piece of bread. What's that doing over here? How's that still intact? It's closer to. Do you see it?
I think I see it. Yeah, it's a beautiful little baby bird point.
But
oh my gosh, good job.
You guys see it? I'm sure you can. Take him closer. He's a little happy. He's a little happy. And he's just waiting there to be picked up. It's a uniface. That's okay, we don't mind. A little dark out here.
That's amazing.
He's so small. Well, I'm just walking through and.
There's one, and this is right at the button. You know where.
Oh yeah. Oh, I see it.
Okay. Does everybody else see it?
Okay, you guys see it?
Zoom in.
Can you see it now? I bet you can.
Oh, it's just a tip.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh, it's pretty refined.
Nice.
But like if it
That was probably one of those long ones.
And then
long
I
bird
found
points.
something else that I don't know what it is. I'll see if I can get that out of my pocket. It's very tiny, and I think it's part of something, like another bird point of some sort. Ready?
Yeah. Oh my.
What is that? That little tiny piece.
That's a butt. Isn't
Yeah,
it a butt?
It's very, very sharp.
It's a butt.
Too.
I think it's a butt.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah, that's a little
Tiny little broken.
Y butt. Y. Cool. I want to look at that one a little closer without.
Cool. Okay. Don't take it yet.
Sorry, I'm looking at it off camera here. Well, I picked this one up before I knew what it was because of how it was sitting. It's actually not awfully bad.